Hey guys, Bulls on Wall Street here. I hope everybody had a great day. Another flat day in the markets, but it could have been worse. We started off with some weakness, and we were starting to finally get some red into the market, and then boom into the close. Markets finished strong, and we had another flat, to slightly green day. Right now it just seems like that underlying bid is still in the market, and so. Longs are definitely still the way to go, in my personal opinion. I would not try to start shorting the market just yet, as we don't have really any confirmation that things are slowing down. So first level of support that I'll be watching right here is this 1400 level. If we start breaking under this, then I'll start to raise a couple of red flags and really get a little bit less aggressive. But so far things are just kind of grinding higher. It's been a grind for me to trade the last few days. These flat markets sometimes just kind of grind you out, but we all got to make a living, right? And so we just kind of squeeze our way till we see the right setups. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that I'm watching for the week. So we got a WPRT. I don't know much about this stock, but we've traded this a lot in the past. We've noticed that every time we get a multi-day dip here, it tends to get a really nice bounce here. I like the spot here where it's resting on support. If we do get a bounce in it, right, this thing could pop back to 40. So nice, easy low risk trade. You can see right here this 36 mark is a decent size support, and then we have the 50-day under, and so that gives us a nice place to stop out for max pain if we need to get there. Let's see, Joe's, right, the camel toe returns. Joe's jeans, this 110 mark looks like the spot. This thing's kind of coiling up here. If we can come out of this, maybe we get to 120 or 130. I like the way this one is setting up, though. It's coiling for definitely a move. Genome, this is a turd stock. I never do well. I never do well trading this thing. But you can see the pattern itself is kind of nice. We're essentially just right. We're kind of getting to that sweet spot where if we can come out of this, we could make a run to the 200-day moving average. Looks pretty good so far. MPEL. I like MPEL, right? We got a break over the 200, and now we're just flagging over the 200-day moving average. We had some nice volume on the push. This is something that, once it consolidates, we could push higher towards 13, so definitely looks like it's in play. UEC. I don't know much about this, why the uraniums have been popping. I haven't been reading much on the news, but this had a really nice move here coming off the bottom, and now we're flagging here. Look for it to come out of this consolidation zone, and that we could get a nice pop in it. Maxwell, still looking for this crack, strong move over 8. We're just not getting it. Like, we peek out a couple pennies and then come back in. CAS, huge. I mean, this thing's doubled now in the last, couple weeks here. If we get another gap up on this thing, I'll look to possibly take this one short just for a quick trade. We've got some resistance around 14, so any quick morning parabolic spike, I think that'll be the spot to look for this, possibly for a short trade, but just a trade, right, guys? You don't want to marry this stuff. It's a pretty strong stock. DCTH, we had the nice move. Now we pulled back. We're kind of just triangulating here on support. I think, if we kind of come out of this range a little bit, maybe a break over 2, that could set us clean. CLSN, right, it might need about 2-3 more days, who knows, but sometimes these things just aren't flagging as much. It's got some serious momentum in it, and it definitely will be in play tomorrow, I believe. ENVI, looking for a bottom bounce. If we can come out of this range here, could be just a quick pop to $3 or so. And then I've been watching MHR for a while. We had a couple days pullback, and today was doing okay. If we can come out of range here, look for a run to that 200-day moving average. So that's it for now, guys. Hope everything is going well. Email me if you have any questions, and good luck trading tomorrow.